gonna let it burn.
It's will it burn again. Gonna be burning this Nokia Lumia.
Nokia Lumia. It's a bit broken, but
I guess we're still burning it.
still sort of a phone.
We haven't uploaded that much lately because we've not been getting much views, so
Yeah.
upload a bit. If you want to send anything in, just send me as a message on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, or via email.
Let's do this. And then
Applying our traditional liquid.
yep. Just let it soak in a bit. Remember it's got the battery in. Yeah, we're gonna have to use a bit of
The flame. Just put that there.
right. So
I'll start.
as you can see, it's just burning nicely.
Has got battery in still.
Yeah, the battery's still in there.
Probably won't explode.
Hopefully not.
Probably won't. Shouldn't do.
Crumping like a bitch. There we go.
Still burning quite badly. No explosion yet though.
That looked pretty cool.
Holy crap. You can see
What minute are we on, Elliot?
What?
What minute are we on?
About 3.
Oh.
You can see it's just completely melting down there.
Fine if I can. It's gonna be quite hard.
Flip the burger so it doesn't get burnt on one side.
Oh. So it gets burnt on both sides?
Yeah, so it gets burnt on both sides. No.
No.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Hold on, we'll be back when...
Yeah, we'll be back when we've actually managed to get something to flip this fucker.
We're back and we're about to flip it. Jeez.
Oh! Oh, that's a lot of fire.
Oh, it's not much.
No, it's food. Oh god. Holy moly.
As you see,
Nice.
the back.
Back. Beautiful.
Gets that to the lid. Still burning. I'm going to try and peel the back of it. Here, let me come out the way of the smoke. There's a lithium battery. Oh, what the fuck. Hopefully that does not go bang. Put a bit of spirit on that. You see the battery there? Put a bit of spirit on that and then we'll step back. There we go. Yeah, that's expanding. Look at the battery. Holy shit, that's gonna bang. Oh my god! Holy crap! The battery's just gone burn!
What just happened?
Oh
What's
my!
on the phone?
Look at the battery there!
Shit, it's still gonna...
Oh! Oh my days!
Oh my god! Oh no, that's not good to breathe in. Oh, we have just poisoned the earth.
Oh, it's going again.
What is that?
That's all just come out of the battery. You can see, that's the battery right there.
Anno, do not breathe that in.
I'm not.
And anyone who is doing this, don't breathe that in.
No.
Or don't